Welcome to our discussion on gender bias at the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. We'll explore historical exclusions of women artists, the impact of data-driven activism, and legal protections against gender discrimination in California. In 1970, LACMA's exhibition featured 0 women artists, highlighting a stark gender bias. This exclusion sparked significant activism and awareness campaigns. Projects like Gallery Tally and Guerrilla Girls have since used art and data to expose ongoing biases. Despite some progress, LACMA's representation of women remains low, underscoring the need for deep structural change. In 1970, LACMA's exhibition excluded women, reflecting a belief that serious art was male-dominated. This sparked activism, leading to the Women's Building in 1973, a hub for women's art and education. Historical exclusions shaped art canons, affecting which artists were recognized and studied. Gender bias in museums mirrored broader creative industry challenges. Grassroots organizations like the Guerrilla Girls have used data and public confrontation to highlight biases in the art world. The Gallery Tally project, launched in 2013, crowdsources gender ratio data from galleries, transforming it into impactful visual posters. These efforts expose systemic undervaluation of women's contributions in arts institutions. The project empowers visitors to transform museum visits into research opportunities. By documenting gender representation, sharing findings online, and engaging with museum education departments, individuals contribute to a broader understanding of equity in art. Gallery Tally posters serve as both evidence and art, highlighting the gender breakdown in specific galleries. The Guerrilla Girls use humor and data to expose bias in prestigious institutions. Their presence in major museums highlights advocacy progress. Treat their posters as primary sources, revealing institutional patterns. Compare methods. Gallery Tally uses crowdsourced data for local impact. Guerrilla Girls use museum stats for international reach, and academic research influences policy. Despite new acquisitions, gender bias persists in major museums like the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, with women representing only 11 to 14% of collections. Progress includes new commissions, diverse acquisition committees, and transparency. However, gaps remain in permanent collections, gallery representation, auction valuations, and curatorial pipelines. Leadership gains don't automatically translate to collection equity. California's Fair Employment and Housing Act, FEHA, prohibits gender discrimination in workplaces with 5 or more employees, including museums. It covers hiring, promotion, and compensation. Employees facing discrimination should document incidents, report internally, and consider filing a complaint with the California Civil Rights Department. Consulting an experienced attorney is advisable before accepting settlements. Preserve digital communications as they can be critical evidence in discrimination cases. California law prohibits retaliation against employees reporting discrimination in good faith. Retaliation may constitute a separate legal violation. Understanding your rights is about accountability, not aggression. True equity requires structural overhaul, not just acquiring more works by women. The 1970 Los Angeles County Museum of Art exhibition, featuring no women artists, sparked the founding of the Women's Building and decades of feminist activism. Gallery Tally raised awareness by crowdsourcing gender ratio data in galleries, creating over 400 posters. Despite some acquisitions, Los Angeles County Museum of Art's representation of women artists remains inadequate. Legal remedies for gender discrimination are available under California law.